Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to add currency converter in Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open your Shopify App Store, and to do that, just click on settings, and after that, find apps and sales channels over here. Click on Shopify App Store. Once you click on that, you will end up over here. Here you are going to search for best currency converter, and once you search that, you will see that over here, this is the one which we are looking for. Once you click on that, you will might end up over here. After that, you can see that we have free plan available and we have 30-day free trial also. Just click on install over here. Once you click on install, it will ask you to integrate with your Shopify store. Obviously, just click on install app, and here you can see we have up membership plan over here. In the free plan, you can only get up to number of currencies for 5, and otherwise, if you go for the premium plan, you will have up to 164. So this is a lot. I'm going with this one, free one, obviously, and I'm going to accept the term also. So just remember that once you click on choose this plan, you will end up over here. Here you can see that they will tell you all the things which you need to do. So you just need to click on over here, click here to see how. Once you click on that, you will see something like this. Scroll down until you see step 5 and 6. Here you can see this is what we are looking for. Just copy this, and what you need to do is just go back to Shopify store, and here in the store details, you will find store currency over here. Change formatting, and here you are going to enter those things. I'm going to enter that over here. As you can see over here at the start, I just pasted. And the second thing you need to do is just go back to that page, copy the step 6, go back and paste that after USD, and do the same with the other one, HTML without currency. Once you do that, just click on save, and after that you can just go back to the settings and set the things over here, and make sure you can only have 5 over here, and you can not add more than 5. And if you want to do that, you just need to buy that. After that, just click on save, make sure to save it, and these are some free features they are providing us. Once it's saved, you are ready to go. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to add currency converter in Shopify. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.